Okay, welcome back to another 2-minute video. Some of these might be longer than 2 minutes and some of these might be shorter, but let's go ahead and jump right in. Today, I want to talk to you about drawing the negative space. As you can see, I have a reference photo up on the screen, and what I'm going to be doing is trying to draw the negative space of my photo rather than the positive object. And the reason for this is that it helps you to look at your object in a different way. Most of the time when we're drawing an object, we tend to stop looking at the reference photo and draw what we think the object looks like. By drawing the negative spaces, it forces you to see the shapes differently and more accurately. Now, it also has a tendency to kind of slow you down and make you draw more deliberately because you're drawing something that you wouldn't normally draw, so you're more intentional about the lines you're making. This is a great way to improve your form and silhouette drawings. Now, another reason why I like to practice drawing negative spaces is because it tends to simplify complex subjects like this plant. If you have a lot of visual information on your scene, try drawing the negative shapes first. You find that the positive forms usually fall into place much easier. Once you've finished your negative spaces, I encourage you to go back in and finish the drawing.